Glass washing. Years of research, development, testing, and experience have made Billco and glass washing nearly synonymous. Let's take a closer look at what we're trying to remove from the glass and what clean actually means. By the time lights reach the glass washer, they could be contaminated with fibers, oils, dust, packing separators. All of these must be removed prior to the next process. Grinding fines, glass shards, suction cup marks, and dried minerals and salts may also be present on the glass and need removed. Other problematic contaminants include oils and grease, unfiltered particles, imprinting from rolls upstream, bacteria, and watermark. Bearing in mind that even clean glass has some level of contamination, the question still remains, how clean is clean? And is it truly clean, or is it clean enough? There is a price to pay for both undercleaning and overcleaning the glass. Undercleaning causes rejects, remakes, and unsatisfied customers. Overcleaning involves higher capital costs and greater maintenance. ASTM, your customer and your quality department will dictate what is acceptable. The chart below outlines various levels of clean. Elevated Standard or Standard Plus is the most common. This involves human eye verification with surface verification procedures. This standard is typically acceptable for IG units, tempering, and laminated glass applications. Washers may be configured very differently for various applications. Most commonly used for us is a pre-spray section with 6 or 8 brushes. A final spray rinse is also very common. Consideration factors in the design criteria include water management, pump pressures, filtration, brush type, water quality, and water temperature, all of which can be configured per your application. The drying section also has more options available than you may realize. There are several knife profiles available: box, wedge, or tear shape. The quantity of air knives, the angle of the knives, airflow adjustments, motor control, and even heated air all impact quality of the drying section. And while we all call it the drying section, the truth is we don't actually want the water to dry on the glass. We want it to sheet off. Dried glass has a greater opportunity to leave contaminants. Although the core cleaning concept has changed little, countless changes have been implemented by Billco through the years to incorporate updates in design. First among them are improved operator guarding and safety. Other updates that are commonly seen today include plumbing manifolds, improved water containment, quick change bearings, a helical drive system, easier cleaning and removal of debris, and improved controls, sensors, and feedback. We have also developed optional process control monitoring for more autonomous function. These can be seen in the DAQ system and BioClean. Washers now also come equipped with preventative maintenance programs built right into the HMI. Operators and maintenance personnel are alerted to potential issues based on the schedules that you determine. Regardless of the machine design or the process, washer maintenance will be critical to your success. Rolls, brushes, personnel guarding, air knives, and other major components like pumps and motors must be checked at regular intervals. You will also need to be familiar with the normal machine parameters. These gauges and indicators can tell you a lot about your machine with a quick look. A robust maintenance schedule will pay dividends. And remember, if the inside of the machine is dirty, it cannot produce clean glass. Be sure to perform an initial check once a machine is installed or relocated within your facility. Daily checks should not be skipped, and weekly checks are among the most critical that you will do. Monthly, quarterly, and yearly checks should also be performed. Information on these can be found in your user's manual or by contacting Billco. The initial check will include tightening all fasteners, including electrical connections in the control panel, lubricating the machine, and checking to ensure that motors are rotating in the proper direction. Daily checks will include draining and cleaning the tanks and checking all gauges. Weekly checks include the inspection of air filters and sparingly greasing the top roll bearings. Please consult your machine documentation for additional maintenance schedules. Some of the most common machine failures that we see are related to not keeping the machine clean, both inside and out, not maintaining the heat at the proper temperature, not keeping the brushes in proper adjustment or trim, and not having your roll surfaces clean and free of debris. Air and water filtration should be changed regularly, and final rinse water should be of the quality that is required for the process. Ensuring that your machine can maintain the desired level of cleanliness truly cannot be understated. Baseline cleanliness tests should be conducted so that changes can be quantified. Robust preventative maintenance and maintenance schedules should be implemented, and water quality checks should be performed. Knowing and maintaining your machine can ensure that your business stays running and profitable. Several common test methods are available to assist you with this. Visual inspection in transmission or reflection, a water break test, a dyne test, contact angle test, or a steam or fog test are all available. Contact your quality department for additional information. If your quality department is unable to help you, the Billco service department may be able to. If we have not been able to answer your questions during today's presentation, please use the email address on this screen to contact us.